Alright, hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Irshad Siddiqui, and with me is a new friend. His name is Shiraz Yunus, and he's from Sri Lanka, and he's come all the way to India and Bombay. And I've been connected to him, I think, for the last 3-4 weeks, or say a month or so. And then when I came to that he's visiting India, and especially Bombay, so I decided of meeting him, and it's so grateful of him that he actually gives him time to meet. And then I thought that which is the best place to meet him. So I then thought that let's catch up at Shalimar, and then we just had this almost empty Shalimar special Faluda. Okay. So Shiraz bhai, how do you feel?
I feel very much happy and get to know a new friend who is really committed to his work and very talented anchor, actor, and you name it. He has got this host, the program host and all. It's really nice to meet people because we got to know through Mr. Nakeem, and I'm really grateful to him that he introduces good people to me, and it's really nice to Mumbai, out of his rush life, mechanic life, or machine life you call it, he finds time to meet me.
Absolutely, Shiraz bhai, because I feel that whenever you find people who are worth meeting or worth taking our time, I think we can take our time, because in this life there are so many things which we do it and which are meaningless. But then I think a meeting which is meaningful, so it goes for it. So you just told me that you are here not for a business purpose, but you're here for a very social and very nice purpose. So can you tell us what is it actually?
Actually, the delegation from Sri Lanka, about 6 to 7 gentlemen, they came here for the opening of this South India chapter of World Mehman organization.
Okay.
And we were invited to participate in the 50th year celebration of Bangalore Mehman Jamaat. And after that we came to Bombay, where the Nathani Foundation is doing a great job here, and they took us to some really needy areas which we actually it burned our heart out when other donors who came with me, gentlemen who came with me, they saw it, and they are going to do something for it. And it's I would say that it's a blessing to be participating in this. It's a God's grace that when you come for such events, such people, when you see the needy people and you see how blessed you are, and you tend to work more for the humanity, and with the support of donors and mainly vision, support of many people, and of course the blessing of Almighty should be there, and it is always there. You have to have a will, and way opens out. That's what we believe in, and we practice and be there for humanity always. And it was great. It was heartwarming, but it was very nice.
I think in this case, yeah, my hands are beating. Alright, so I'm gonna hold it like this. So when you spoke about Nathani, the two important people I know from Nathani is, of course, Hamid sir, Hamid Nathani, and Yasmin ma'am, who's the CEO of Nathani, and I've done a few events for them. And the NGO, this NGO is one NGO which is doing amazingly great, and that is doing across the nation. But I want to appreciate you for one thing, that people in this today's era, they don't take time to go from one city to other city, but for a social cause, you've taken out time to travel from Sri Lanka to Mumbai, and that too at your own expenditure, which is a great thing. Like travel, like stay, everything you're managing for social cause. So may Allah give you more and more what you've actually invested. May you get 100 times more in what you've invested, and may you get more barakat in your result also and in your work also.
We say that there were gentlemen who came with me, donors as well as philanthropists, and they themselves were very much upset, and they, after seeing those areas, and they do a lot of work in Sri Lanka as well.
Okay.
And luckily 2 of my uncles are there, one my cousin brother is there, 2 other relatives are there, and all together a bunch of people who have been very much experienced, and I'm blessed to be working with them, and I've been working with them for the past 12 years in social events, so I'm the youngest in that group, and maybe really happy. I get to learn a lot of things from them, and in future also I'll implement more things about it.
Okay. And Shiraz bhai, you're not just...
One more thing I have to add, that they also came out of their own private funds. They do a lot of things, they travel, and their time, their effort is really remarkable.
Okay. And I think you're not just young in the group, but mashallah you look young also. Right. So Shiraz bhai is actually going to visit Bombay again in the month of May. So I'm hoping that inshallah may Allah make some kind of arrangements that we meet again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.